Hey guys, so last week I showed you guys how to make a text-based video from 2006 with modern technology. Now today, as you can tell by the title and probably from what you're seeing, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a YouTube poop from 2006 but with modern technology. Now, essentially what a YouTube poop is, it's not somebody showing poop on the internet. That's stupid. Um, Basically, what a YouTube poop is a mashup of, like TV shows or like people making characters from the TV shows say bad words or something along those lines. It's basically an editor's, it's basically trial and error with editing. So if you want to get like really good into editing, maybe make some YouTube poops or not, but I'm going to show you how to make one from 2006 with modern technology. And so as you can see, I have everything all set up here. Like I have the videos basically all set up. Um, but yeah, I would, if you're going to start out with something like this, I would highly recommend you make a folder titling the name of your video. Like, I titled the folder Making a YouTube Poop from 2006, and that's what the project name is. So, that's essentially what it is. And so, what I'm going to do is I'm going to find a clip from from the games that I want to use, and usually the most popular YouTube poops from 2006 were of these Zelda CDI games and a Mario CDI game, respectively called The Legend of Zelda Wand of Gamelon, The Legend of Zelda Faces of Evil, and Hotel Mario. So, I don't know if you guys can see those titles, since 2006 also means 480p. But yeah, I'm going to try to find a clip from, actually I think the clip I want to use is from this game. Let me just scrub through this. Um, oh, wait. There we go. Yeah, basically, what you can do, because I'm using Adobe Premiere Pro, it's very modern, and so basically, what you can do is instead of, I'll just make an endpoint here so I don't forget where it was. So instead of like scrubbing through with the mouse and stuff, you can just use the J, the, I think K is the pause. Yep, K is to pause and L is to move forward. So basically, you don't have to scrub through the mouse. It's a lot easier to scrub through with the mouse though. But it's kind of cool to just like play scenes in reverse. And also make them move forward. And you can make them go faster too. So allow me to demonstrate. So I'm hitting the L key, I think about 3-4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it goes really fast. And the same goes in reverse too. Hitting the J key 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it goes really fast both ways. You can also make them go faster. So, and you can also like slow them down.
You've got to be
Stuff.
kidding.
So, interrupting cat is interrupting. My cat Misty's on my desk, and so I think I need to pet her on the head for a little bit. But I can still, like, work. So yeah, essentially, I'm going to use this clip. Yeah, I'll be using this clip. And what you can do is you can just click and drag the image and drag it onto the timeline, and it will appear. Oh, whoops. That wasn't where that endpoint needed to go.
How about a kiss for luck?
Okay, so... Okay, that's where the endpoint will go. And now the clip is longer. Let's get rid of this Magic Carpet Man, referred to as the Squad-a-Lot Man, because I'll show you why he's called Squad-a-Lot Man.
You've got to be kidding.
Squad-a-Lot! We're off!
Yeah, he says Squad-a-Lot, and my cat is kind of making it hard to work. I mean, I'm working, she's just trying to distract me with, like, headbutts and stuff. But, Misty... You know what, whoa, careful. I don't want you falling off my desk. You're so old. Yeah, she's like 15 years old. We got her, like, around the same time we moved here. So... Well, now this video is also turned into a video about my cat, Misty. So, but... I need to get back to work, so, or, okay, you can just chill there if you want, that's fine. But yeah, so, I got the clip that I wanted, the base clip.
How about a kiss for luck?
I'm going to be, you know, making. I also haven't made a YouTube poop before, so, well, I have, but it wasn't with, the CDI games, it was more of, existing YouTube videos. So, let me get to the clip where I want, okay.
Gee, it's kinda dark. You bring a light?
Here's a clip that I want.
No.
So basically what I'll do is I'll bring this clip over on top of this clip, and oh, I need to scale that because these weren't, like, I'll be honest, these clips you can get from YouTube, like, the highest quality possible, but we're not going to, oh, where's the thing? Hang on, guys. Okay, guys, sorry about that. I just need to figure out how to make this set to the frame size. So let me just render that, and let's see how it plays out.
How about a kiss for luck?
No.
Okay, so essentially what you're doing is you're splicing the cutscenes from, well, what I'm doing is essentially splicing the cutscenes from the two different games. And so, I probably won't bore you guys with all the editing and stuff, because I I don't really have a set story, which is a bad thing to do, especially when you're recording a YouTube video. But I think I'll pick it back up when my timeline is more filled. So I will see you guys in a second for you, but it'll be a few minutes for me. See you then. Okay, I'm back, guys. Just I just threw like a little thing together. It's not like a 10-minute long YouTube poop or anything. It's only about 16 seconds, but this is basically an example of what YouTube poops were like in 2006.
It is written, only Link can defeat Ganon. Great! I'll grab my stuff!
No.
Your sword is enough. How about a kiss for luck?
No.
Lamp oil, rope, bombs. You want it?
No.
Yeah, so that's basically what like an average YouTube poop was kind of like. Now there were some very ambitious YouTube poops at the time that would like put in new animation or like take everyone out of the games and put them in these realistic scenarios and stuff. But yeah, this is essentially it. So, and I'm more of a beginner, because I mean the YouTube poop I made on my channel, it's kind of the same as this. The only difference is that this is animated and that YouTube poop was not animated. And also my name was different then, so I had a big watermark. But yeah, like it was very popular, this genre of video to do in like the early 2000s and stuff. Some of them still YouTube poop to this day. Like some people still do that to this day. Um, it's just a matter of finding them, I guess. And a lot of them, one of the reasons I don't really watch them anymore is because like people would just bass boost the sound and it would like hurt your ears. Um, and I just don't like that. So, I mean, I would like to one day make a YouTube poop that's like really, really good. But I'm not gonna bass boost the sound or anything to do that. Unless, like, I feel like I need to, but even then I'll make sure it's not like ear-piercingly loud. But yeah, that's basically YouTube poops from 2006 in a nutshell. I mean, I'll play this again for
It
you
is
guys.
written, only Link can defeat Ganon. Great! I'll grab my
But yeah,
stuff!
just
No.
splicing
Your sword is
cutscenes
enough.
from different games.
How
and
about a
stuff.
kiss
That's
for luck?
No.
basically,
Lamp oil, rope, bombs. You want it?
No.
I've already said a lot. I would just be repeating myself at this point. But yeah, the early 2000s. I mean, especially when these videos started popping up, like they were very popular. Like, oh my goodness. Like, people would invest so much time into just making these videos. And they were, like, really well done, really well edited. And I think I also used Photoshop, which I would like to learn how to do, like implement Photoshop elements into my videos. But yeah, that's essentially 2006. So yeah. See you guys next time, I guess.